When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shona Recipes with me, Chef Shona.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare peanut cookies. This is a very simple recipe which we can prepare with 3 ingredients. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Take a pan, add 1½ cup of peanuts, fry it on a low flame, and once it's done, switch off the flame. Take a blender, add 1 cup of roasted peanuts into blender. Add required amount of water and make a smooth paste. Transfer this paste into a bowl and add ½ cup of all-purpose flour. Add ½ cup of sugar powder. Mix it well and make a tight dough. After combining, the dough must be like this. Now take one dough ball and make a round. Keep it in a palm and press it gently. Add the roasted crushed peanuts on the top of the cookies. Make all cookies in the same way and arrange them in a tray. Bake these cookies at 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the cookies from the oven and transfer this into a serving plate. This is a very simple recipe. Try this recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare falafel recipe. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shona Recipes and click on the bell icon.